Hello friends, in today's tutorial I will show you how to crochet a V-stitch. I am using this yarn ball and 5mm crochet hook. So let's get started. First of all, make a slip knot. And after that start making chains with the help of crochet hook. Make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5, chain 6, chain 7, 8, 9, 10. I have made total of 24 chains. Now make 3 chains more. These 3 chains will be counted as a double crochet. Now we would work into the 5th chain from the hook. So leave 4 chains and into the 5th one make a V-stitch. Pull the yarn through 2 loops and then pull the yarn through 2 loops. This is a double crochet. Then make chain 1 and again make a double crochet into the same chain. This is a V. Now skip one chain and into the next chain make 1 double crochet, chain 1 and again make 1 double crochet into the same chain. So this is another V. Again skip one chain and into the next chain make 1 double crochet, chain 1 and 1 double crochet into the same chain. Again skip one chain and into the next chain make 1 double crochet, chain 1 and then 1 double crochet into the same chain. Make V's till the end. Now skip one chain and this is the last chain. Make 1 double crochet into this chain. Now first row is completed. For the second one make chain 1, chain 2 and chain 3. After making 3 chains turn your work and now we will start working in the chain 1 space here in the V stitch. Now we would make V in this stitch. Make double crochet, chain 1 and then again a double crochet into this V. Now we would work into the next chain 1 space. Make double crochet, chain 1 and then double crochet again into the same chain 1 space. Now we would work into the next chain 1 space. Make double crochet, chain 1 and then again double crochet into the same chain 1 space. Now work in each of the chain 1 space across and make V in them by making double crochet one time, chain 1 and then again double crochet till the last. I have made V stitch in every chain 1 space. For the second row, now make a double crochet stitch into the turning chain. Second row is completed. For the third one make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3. Turn the work and again start working in chain 2 space of the V stitch and make double crochet, chain 1 and then double crochet into the chain 1 space. Now again make double crochet, chain 1 and then double crochet into the chain 1 space. Now repeat the process and make double crochet, chain 1 and double crochet into each of the chain 1 space of the second row and complete the row till the end. I have completed V stitches. Now again make a double crochet stitch into the turning chain. Now make chain 1, chain 2 and chain 3. Turn the work and again start working in the chain 1 space by making V stitch into it, double crochet, chain 1 and then double crochet. Again work into the next chain 1 space as we have done in the second and third row. So do it till the end of the fourth row. Now make a double crochet into the turning chain. This is how V stitch is made. This can be used in blankets and scarves, summer scarves and shawls. This is very pretty stitch. So if you like the video, please give it thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching the video. Bye.